Hi, guys. All right, we're ready for math again. We're ready. I know. And math has just been exhausting, hasn't it? But we are so ready to tackle this. There are some of you guys that are sending me your videos that are your papers, and they are looking like you guys are starting to understand this. You're starting to understand this, which means you guys are working hard. And those of us that are not still like, oh, this is still confusing, that's completely normal too. That's completely normal too. This is a second grade skill, guys. This is a second grade skill, so you are not meant to master it, although you are meant to try. So that's our biggest thing. Sometimes we may not be great at it, but the main skill that they're trying to teach us is that we can still try. We may not be great, but we can try. Okay, so that's where we're still kicking some tuchus when we try. So we're going to do a few more today to be able to try, and then they're going to throw you some older stuff back in there, and they're going to try to confuse you. Don't let them do it. Don't let them do it. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. So be careful, because they're going to try to turn evil. They're going to try to turn evil. Today, the main one that they're going to kind of do is they're going to give you some equations. They're going to give them to you like this, basically. They're going to be like, and then they're going to tell you to write it vertically, because this is horizontally. You got it. They're going to tell you that you need to write it vertically. You know what they're trying to get you to do? Yeah, I know you don't. They're trying to get you to do this. They're going to try to get you to do this. 73 plus 14. They're going to try to get you to not line them up. They're going to try to turn you into bad drivers. That's what they're doing here. I know, it looks so innocent, doesn't it? It looks like, oh, they just want me to write it vertical. Oh, that's easy. But one little mess up then you wreck your car. And you wreck your car. And that's what they're trying to do here. They're trying to get to see if they can make you wreck your car. So don't let them win. Don't wreck your car. Keep your cars lined up. Keep your 10s together. And keep your 1s all together. Okay? Keep them in their own little line there. So that way we can prove we're good drivers. We know how to drive. Okay, so same thing. What's the first thing I need to do, guys? What's the first thing I need to do? Add my what? Who do I have to add first? The 1s. You got it. I need to add my 1s. I have 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? It is 7. It is 7. Did I make a new 10? Nope. 7 is still just a little guy. He does not get to go to the 10s club. So he is still just the little 1s. He still has to stay there. So there are no 10s that I'm going to be able to put there. He's just naked. He's by himself. He's just there. All right, now what do I have to do? I have to add my 10s. You got it. And I have 7 10s plus 1 10. How many 10s do I have? I have 8 10s. And if I have 8 10s, how many does that mean I have? If I have 8 10s, how many do I have? I have 80. You got it, guys. You got it. And then I can finish this out. 7 plus 0 is 7. And nothing. Plus 8 is 8. You got it. You got it. So 73 plus 14 is 87. Is 87. Okay, so this is one of the things that they want you to do. They just want you to write it vertically. They're going to give it to you horizontally. They want you to write it vertically. And trust me, they're trying to see if you're a bad driver. They're trying to see if you're going to be a bad driver. Don't be a bad driver. Imagine you're driving grandma. Oh, you know grandma too would be like, slow down, honey, take your time. I can't, no, slow down. That's the way we have to do it. We have to slow down, and we have to make sure that we stay in those lines, okay? Don't wreck grandma. Oh, it would be terrible. Don't wreck grandma. Stay in your lane, okay? That's what they're kind of checking there for, and to give us a little bit more practice. Then the next thing on the back page, it's going to be 374. They're going to try to make you forget some things. Well, first of all, Boo-Boo shows up. Boo-Boo is going to show up. And Boo-Boo is wrong. Okay? Boo-Boo is wrong. In fact, I'll show you how wrong Boo-Boo is. Boo Boo says this. He says 43 plus 39. And Boo Boo says it's this. Better erase that one. That one's a little confusing. Says it is. Okay. Can we figure out what Boo Boo did wrong? Can we figure out what he did wrong? It's kind of tricky. All right, the only way to figure out what Boo Boo really did wrong is if we start going through the steps ourselves. So let's do our steps ourselves. What do we have to do first usually? We add our ones. Okay, so we have 9 ones plus 3 ones. What is 9 plus 3? It is 12. Oh, hey, there's 12. Sweet. All right, then we have to add our tens. So I have 4 tens plus 3. Oh, are you starting to see what he did? You're starting to see what he did. You're right. He wrecked Grandma. First of all, he wrecked Grandma bad. Very badly. He put everything, he did not stay in his lane at all. And he forgot he was counting tens here. He forgot he was counting tens. So what is 4 tens plus 3 tens? It's 7 tens. You got it. So how much is 7 tens? It is 70. 7 tens means I have to count by 10 7 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70. You got it, guys. So 70. And then I got to don't wreck Grandma. Don't wreck her. Line them up. Okay. So was Boo Boo, did he make a Boo Boo? He does tend to do that. He does. We love him, but he makes some Boo Boos. You got it. So the answer should have been 2 and 8. You got it. You got it. Way different than what Boo Boo had. Way different than what Boo Boo had. Okay. And then below Boo Boo, this is where they're going to try to get sneaky. This is where they're going to try to get a little sneaky on you again. The thing we have to remember is that, well, 2 things. 1, is this allowed? Can I do that, or will the math police come and arrest me? Because that's not what we usually do. What do we usually do? We do 2 plus 3 equals 5. Right. That's what we usually do. So, am I in trouble here? No, that's right. Yo, yo, yo. I just wrapped it up. Yo, yo, yo. Just wrap it up. That works the same as if our equation, we can flip those around. It also works with this guy. I can put him on this side, or I can wrap him up and put him over there. That equal sign, it does not matter, guys. We got to be aware of where he is, and we got to know what he means. And remember, it's like a little balance. You got to keep things even. Whatever is on this side has to be on this side. So, what do I have over here? I have 5. You got it. I have 5. And let's see if it balances. What do I have over here? What is 2 plus 3? What is 2 plus 3? It's 5. You got it. So on each one of those sides, is it the same? Is it the same? Are they balanced? It is. It is. So on the lower part, what they're trying to do is confuse you to where you don't know which ones. You got to look for these. These are the power sign. Those are the power sign. Look for them, find them, and pay attention to them. Because for some of the equations, it's going to be like this. 5 plus 2 equals what? There's our mystery box. Don't know. Okay. But sometimes it's going to be this. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. And then I got to go backwards. I got to back it up. Back it up. You got it. 3 plus 5 equals, and put the answer there. Okay, so sometimes it's going to try to get you. It's going to try to get you. But don't let it. Don't let it. Find your equal sign and decide what total you need to do and look at each side of them. Okay, so don't let them get you. Don't do it. All right, guys. So that is it for today's math. That's what you're going to be working on for today. Tomorrow, I'm still kind of debating on what I want to do because this is the last week of school, so I kind of want to review a few things, and I kind of want to throw them out there again to where you can still kind of remember it a little bit. But I know this math is kind of hard, so I don't want to. So I'm still thinking. I know it takes a lot for me to spreadsheet. You got to really work on it. But regardless, and it might be that this week you don't have quite as many videos. I know, I even thought about that. I'm like, it's the last week. You might only give them 3 videos this week. I don't know. I still haven't decided. Have you ever been like that to where you just can't decide which way you want to go? Yeah, I know. Adults get like that too. Believe it or not, we get like that too. Alrighty, guys. Otherwise, work hard, as I know you've been doing. Don't drive mom and dad crazy. Too bad. Right? And without a doubt, we'll at least have another video. So I will see you on the next video. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.